Hi guys, we have 6 minutes until market open, so let's do our high time frame analysis for today. Today is the first permissible day this week. Yeah, it's only Tuesday. It's the first permissible day this week. So yeah, that's exciting. I'm really trying to conquer my hesitation today, so that's definitely gonna be a big focus. So I need to try and force myself to take a trade. I've sized down incredibly to 2NQ. No, 2MNQ, sorry. 2NQ would be crazy. So I've sized down incredibly just to be able to force myself to take literally anything. And then I'll probably just trade on that low size for a little bit until I'm feeling confident and then just gradually go up. I don't think I can do the big size to start with, to be honest. And it's something that I learned from watching the Words of Wisdom. They did a round table of a bunch of profitable traders and a really profitable trader. I can't remember his name. I don't want to butcher it. He's the founder of TradeZilla. Why did I just introduce him as that? He's the founder of TradeZilla. So yeah, he said to just slowly increase your size. So I think just already going into that mindset, my heart does not care about anything. It does not care, not anything, but it doesn't care about taking a trade. I'm very a lot more chill going into trading, knowing that yeah, okay, I do need to take a trade and I do need to focus on my hesitation, but also I'm gonna be trading with such low size, it doesn't even matter, which is what I want. Just trying to read what's going on here. Okay, well, we have an SMT with previous day low. We're on the 1 hour time frame. Gosh, I'm actually getting really, really quick at these high time frame narratives. I used to give myself 15 minutes, and now I'm almost done. I just need to go into the 15-minute, which is the main time frame to analyze, but I've got time. But that 1 hour fair value gap, it's pretty much been rebalanced. This is making me think that we're bearish, but we have just put in SMT at the low, so I want to see if that delivers or not. If it doesn't deliver, then I've got a bias, but if it does deliver, then we'll have to just wait and see what price wants to do. What else do we have down here? It doesn't look like we this is kind of the only draw, really. Yeah, down here, nothing too interesting going on down there, to be honest. Got this little mini drawer internally. I'm gonna put these to be a little bit thinner. Got a weird SMT thing here. I think I remember seeing this get put in and it looked really ugly yesterday. It was LRLR that was unfilled on NQ. So that's a protected high. Okay, what are we delivering off of? Nothing, no manipulation. But it kind of looks like there's a void in there. Kind of looks like we're delivering off of that SMT. I'll have to see what market open does because it will be more telling market open. I kind of just want to get in and out of the market. I don't want to sit around and wait for a trade for too long because I feel confident enough to get in now, but I feel like if I have to sit and wait for price for a while, I'm probably going to lose my confidence as we trade. That's just me being honest. Okay. Well, we took previous day low here, we delivered off of it and we failed it pretty much, is what it's looking like. Okay. We got this SMT internally. Interesting. We didn't really have efficient delivery off of it. What news do we have today? I don't know what is wrong with my thing. It's not doing the weeks correctly. ADP, we have orange folder, and then it's a weird week. Okay, it delivered eventually. This SMT. Just equal highs. Yeah, it's equal highs. I was gonna see if that was an SMT. Okay, let's go a little bit further and deeper into what actually happened here. Looks like we put in like a reversal sequence at this low after we took previous day high. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reversal sequence, and then we closed here. This would have been a great market open trade. We got a 5-minute. I do like seeing the 5 minutes and seeing what they're doing, because I think 1 minute bissies are just, they don't do anything. But the 5-minute ones, like, you can sometimes get a, like, you can see that we're having like some type of reaction there, and we're failing it. It's good to actually watch that lifetime. Failing the bearish SMT. We failed that SMT. Well, damn, we really delivered off of that. This is a protected low, but I'm hesitant to call it a protected low because everyone's gonna be putting their stops underneath here. But I'll still mark it out as a protected low. Would have been a brilliant market open trade. My goodness. We took that high. Already took this high on ES. I guess you could say there's an SMT here. Kind of want to see ES take that internal. We're failing to deliver off the SMT on NQ, but we are delivering on. Okay, we got that internal manipulation in a high time frame fair value gap. Cannot be mad about that. Okay, look, we've actually had some good manipulation here. We're really bullish though, but I want to see if we do respect this fair value gap, then I can be bearish. But we have delivered off a previous day low SMT. So it's difficult. Oh my god, just stay up here somewhere. Don't have that many crazy draws higher. SMT the lowest delivered. Oh, actually we have no draws lower. So to take a bearish continuation sequence would be silly, wouldn't it? But we got bearish order flow. Oh, tricky day for price action. I want to be bullish. It's just not leaving me any draws to target at this point. Just like a 15-minute order block. Are we going to continue lower? that order block is in premium of the range. So we have hit a premium array. But I don't know. I'd have to see some real like disrespect of any Sonic continuation. I do like that the Bearish SMT is holding on ES. It's hesitating on NQ, but it's holding on ES. I want to see us like come up and stop raid one of these highs. And then maybe look for shorts, but yeah, I don't know. Shorts based off of the bearish order flow, bearish SMT stopping price, hitting a bearish order block on the 15-minute time frame. And then I want to see the disrespect of bullish sequences or bullish, you know what I mean. Like if we put like a bullish SMT in internally and we're in premium with the range, I'll definitely be inclined to short. Okay, we actually took this low down here. Oh, we took all these lows here, so we have just a massive bullish SMT in here. Doesn't look like it's holding though. We've obviously got the SMT like this. Are we just gonna go and take previous day low and take out that bullish SMT? I don't know. Put in like a subsequent fail. And did something like that. Because we subsequence failed here, we had a little rebalance, kind of like a break and retest. Bullish SMT put in on ES. Bearish SMT failing. That would have been solid. I just wasn't quick enough to see that, to be honest. But yeah, that would have been nice. Would have been a great trade. Straight to the draw. Damn. Well, we're obviously bullish. I want to see pullback and maybe manipulation at this low. I'm too hesitant to enter because we've displaced. I've got some good external draws up here. Okay, we stop rated those highs on ES, which I was interested in before. I wanted to see like a stop rate and then a continuation lower, so that's interesting. We'll see how that plays out. We do look pretty bullish though in my eyes. I mean, we can expect a reversal here though because we did hit 15-minute fair value gap to the freaking tick. Let's see if this delivers. I want to see it deliver for a little bit. This is a big fair value gap to disrespect, but we got a smaller one here on NQ. We simultaneously taken this draw, probably in OT of the range. We took both of these draws actually. Putting massive SMT in. Super Mega manipulated the lows on ES. Let's see. I like the way it looks on NQ. I mean, we could just fail it because we look pretty bullish. We could just fail it. But if we wanted to go lower, then this would be a brilliant time. Because look at how perfectly we rebalanced that on NQ. So if we fail it, it'll look like pretty picture perfect. If we look like we're really volatile right now though. Just put in another little bearish SMT here. I don't really like how it closed. Just forward test this move. Okay, so I should have taken that. But I didn't like how it closed. Probably should have just taken it. Especially because I'm lowered size. Remember that you are lowered size. I would honestly prefer to take a short a little bit after seeing a little bit more bearish action, but that's kind of the whole point of my strategy. Let's quickly write bearish continuation sequence mini SMT stop rate on ES 15-minute value gap on NQ respective. I just don't like that we displaced through all of those highs. Yeah, this is the point of interest that I had on NQ. I want to see here be stop rated. Oh, and we have no, we don't. Yeah, we do. A little SMT like this as well. I don't like that previous day low was right there. We're kind of failing to deliver efficiently off of that SMT at previous day low on NQ. So I'm not too sure. We got stop rate in SMT. Let's see how this goes. Oh, we took out that SMT. Love that. So we have turtle soup now. Shouldn't really be resouping this low twice though. Kind of feel like this is gonna fail. I don't like how many candles we've printed though. Yeah, let's get a little bit of a pullback. Tapping into the 5-minute fair value gap. If we kept that SMT there, it would have been good for a long, but I mean, look at the way we're moving right now. We're not delivering either way. Should have just taken this, but I wasn't trying to top tick. I was just trying to catch my little piece of the pie. If we could get like a little pull back into here, that'd be really good. I mean, now I have a good spot to put my, okay. There we go. 2 previous day low being taken out. No, just gonna bait it. What I don't love is that we're kind of hovering around previous day low, and we're just hovering there. We're like kind of like teasing it, like we're inducing it. That's the technical word. This 1 minute here. This would be a great spot to have manipulation to go higher, but the manipulation has failed to go higher. We should deliver here. If there's one spot that I'm expecting it to deliver, it's here. What are we doing here? So there we go. Guys, why I hesitate the way I do, I couldn't tell you. Like, where is my confidence at? Like, why am I not taking anything in my funded account? I'm literally trading to MNQ. I'm taking baby trades. Right now, it's like, it's kind of uncomfortable taking a trade now because it's like I've gotten 2 really good wins and I missed a good long as well. Like, today's been really A+. We'll just have to see what sequence plays out on ES as we take that draw. If we could, okay, pull back, maybe continuation sequence, but we haven't displaced through any draws, so I'm more inclined to take a reversal, but we do have a low that is just chilling down there. But we do look pretty bullish on NQ still. Okay, why are we stopping it on tracks at a 1 minute Sibi? We've been chilling with this bullish SMTN for ages and we're just not delivering off of it until now. If we had a reversal sequence off of this low, this would be crazy, but this is a really reactive low. We're like moving like crazy against that low. I mean, I guess I could have taken something like this, but I'm still longing into a fresh CB in premium. We could get like a big fat black candle, a red candle for those green and red candle traders in this big day and age. Okay. Oh, disrespected the Bissy. Which is totally fine, by the way, like, see how it reacts. If we maybe like manipulate in this low, then we can have stacked manipulation. Like if we take this low here on NQ, like that would look really good. But right now it's like it could be bearish continuation, it could be bullish continuation. Not really though. Difficult thing is there's not any like displacement through a high or through the low. There's no displacement through that low. There's displacement through the highs on NQ though, so if we could pull back and have manipulation there, that'd be so good. Wish I could speed this up. No, I wanted to go down and manipulate the low. Just want to see some type of manipulation, like we got S&T at the low, but look how many times we hesitated to deliver off of it. We have delivered off a previous day low being taken though. Curious to see if this will deliver. Can't really have like a good protected stop loss though, like that's the problem. Just get out once it puts in S&T. Or if you want to manipulate a low, I don't mind because I still need to take a trade on my funded account or my eval account. The reason why I'm like even interested in this, what am I in? I'm in a short. I meant to put in a long. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that's a long. The reason why I'm interested in this is because we're going to this CB twice, failing to deliver off of it, rebalance respect, going higher, draws higher, whatever. Only problem is no protected stop loss. If I had waited for this candle here, then I could add a protected stop loss underneath the rebalance. Okay, we put in bearish S&T. Let's see if we deliver off of it or not though, because I might be able to actually take something if it starts coming back down. Okay, we're gonna pretend like it's not there. Can't really take anything good off it. Oh, okay, now we've put in external manipulation. Love that even more, don't I? objective is this SIBI being filled. Okay, well that forward test hit. Now let's, change it to, wait, where was it? Wait, if I just do this. Okay, well I love that my forward testing win rate is improving right now. That's 3 wins. Nothing taken on my eval. I might have to not take anything because this is like ridiculous, and now it's gonna mess up my psychology, and I'm gonna think, okay, any and everything is gonna be good to take, when that is obviously not the case. We all know that. Look how much we pumped up on ES with no pullback. One of the things I did notice in my back testing though was I need to not force manipulation on both instruments. Okay, reversing off of nothing on ES. Got this low resistance liquidity up here. Although it does look like it's a protected high. But it looks like we've taken that high again on on NQ. Disrespected the SIBI. Cool, maybe we're coming back and we're actually going to manipulate. Because we've reversed off of nothing. Maybe we take this low on NQ. Now I want to take something in my eval, but I can't. Because I forward tested 3 wins. Oh, my mentor is already starting. Three good trades that I did not want to take. I know exactly what I need to do tomorrow, so that's a positive. I need to do more back testing because today I didn't back test that much. I back tested at the start of the day, but I was falling asleep back testing. Then I went and took a nap, told myself I would go back to back testing, and I didn't. So I think that's what's subconsciously going on for me right now. Is I'm saying I'm gonna back test. I know what I need to do to improve my trading, and I'm not doing it. So I think tomorrow, if I go into the day and I actually back test the full time that I should be back testing, then I'll have more of a chance of being able to, can't think, I'll have a better chance of taking a good trade, because I will have put in the chart time and that would have given me the confidence. Just want to see when price hits this low, what we do. It looks like we're generating liquidity on ES. But let's see. Like if we push down, we get an injection of liquidity, take these generating lows here, take the displacement low here. and then take this low here, put in SMT, and then flip, then that would be ideal. Okay, here we go. Taking those lows, taking displacement low. We are not displacing low on you. Hello. Hello. So I want to see us take this low. We did what I wanted to see on ES, but not on NQ. Okay, there we go. Total sweep that low. Put in SMT. Now I want to see us flip. Let's just go higher now. I want to see us disrespect this Sibby. I actually cannot believe I didn't take anything and I took 3 wins. Swear, it's just like imposter syndrome, like at this point, like, I just don't have confidence. And it's making me mad. It's not even making me feel mad, like, not even trying to be like sad and depressed about it, but it's literally making me feel numb. Because I'm just like, bro, like, I've been putting in all this work to show up in the markets for 30 minutes and I'm not taking anything, but I'm taking wins. Like, okay, anyway, that's my SMT invalidated. I'm not really interested in anything else now. Nothing else is looking good to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found this insightful. I feel like this is going to be one that I reference when I am sitting in the Maldives in my overwater bungalow, filming content for you guys and telling you guys about my story and how, you know, I just felt so numb and I just was hesitating so much. I had so much imposter syndrome, and then like I give you guys advice and stuff. So, you know, it'll be better. This is just a part of the journey. It's just something that I'm gonna have to go through. I need to put more faith in God. I need to put more faith in myself, and I need to put more action into sitting on the charts, more chart time in. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoyed me seeing me hit 3 forward test wins. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye.